Good day, everybody. Want to do a little something different here. We got this 2021 Q50 that just came in, and what I want to do is basically move it from here to down there and show you a couple of the features that are inside the vehicle while I do that. So, starting in 2020, you got these new key fobs. Robust key fob distinguishes you as an Infiniti driver. Once the remote start is engaged, you can hop in and turn the vehicle on as such. I'm going to keep this volume down because the copyrights. So anyhow, this is your around view monitor. So I'm going to show you a couple of things right here. It looks like this vehicle needs gas, so we might just go ahead and do that. Now, if you're traveling at slow speeds, basically like if you're parking, you hit this camera button right here. That'll allow you to access the around view monitor there. So let me just go ahead and pull over a second here so I can do another walk around of this vehicle. Highlight a little bit of this interior for you. So this is the graphite interior. That right there's your power sunroof. You pull down right here, and that's going to allow you to adjust your telescopic tilt steering wheel. If you plug in your USB or your C USB drive right here, that's going to access your smartphone features. So what's going to happen is your Apple CarPlay, your Android Auto, your Waze, your Google Maps and things are going to show up right here. Messages, audio, you name it. All the rest of the features like the vehicle is available. It's going to be right here on this bottom screen. So you can adjust that. And this right here is your home link. Infiniti Quick Guide. Go ahead and download that for all you current Infiniti owners. And search home link. You'll absolutely love it. This vehicle also has the Performance Series Bose. I love music. I love when music sounds amazing, and that's exactly what happens when you turn the music on here. So this also includes rear USB ports. Again, just a couple of features. Like I was saying in the beginning, I wanted to highlight for you. So this is the 2021 Infiniti Q50. Thank you for your time and your patience checking out this video. You can reach out to me, dleva@cvaauto.com, or respond to whatever message you may have gotten in this video. Have a great day and a Happy New Year.